Sat Shri Akal Saryanu. I am Ritu Sharma from Khalsa College Public School, GT Road, Amritsar. First of all, I want to convey my thanks to the Principal Sir Sardar Amarjit Singh Ji Gill, Khalsa College Governing Council and KCGC channel who given me an opportunity to deliver my lecture today here outside the boundary walls of the classroom. My topic is marketing management. I chose this topic as all the commerce students after doing their graduation, post-graduation, they either pursue a business or they enter in another business as a manager, general manager. This topic walk along their side. So marketing management is management of all the activities related to market. First of all, in marketing, we just concentrate to the customer, their needs, their wants. Then we frame a product according to their need, and then it comes to the market. In marketing, we just go through certain philosophies. Whenever we launch a product, we have to go through these philosophies. First philosophy is product concept. In product concept, जो production manager just concentrate to the quality of the product. They add on features, then raise the price of the product, and then it launches in the market. Next is production concept, in which we are not worried about the quality. We just concentrate to the quantity of the product, and we just lower down the price and we sell our product. Third one is selling concept, in which the seller is neither concentrate about the quality or the quantity. They sell their product by hook or by crook. They sell what they have. They just give discounts or they give 50% discount, buy one, get one free, and they sell their product. Next is marketing concept, in which we pay attention to customer. We make product according to need of the customer. Last is societal concept. Society said we can't sell what customer need and want, as they also need or they also want drugs. We can only sell the products which we can sell within the ethical boundaries of society. So these are the concepts which you have to follow when you are going to launch a product. Now come to marketing mix. There are 4 P's in marketing mix: product, price, place, and promotion. First of all, product. When we are coming to product, we are going to launch product, we have to take various decisions regarding the product. It can be branding, packaging, labeling. First and foremost is branding. It means giving a name to your product. There are 2 things. One is generic name and other is brand name. Generic name, just the name of the class of the product. Like we always say soap, chocolate, biscuits. These are the generic name. And if we say we want Cadbury, we want Dairy Milk, these are the brand names. So brand name should be small, should be unique, it should be easy to pronounce. So we have to take care about the brand of the product. Today there are many brands which are hard to pronounce. So brand name should be simple and it should be suggestive, like Hajmola. It is quite suggestive that this is for your digestive system. Next is packaging. Packaging is a silent salesman. Package is wrapper or container of a product. It should be so attractive. For packaging, you can see it should be convenient to the customer to carry the product. Packaging can be primary, it can be secondary, it can be transportation. Immediate package of the product is primary. Like if we are going to buy toothpaste, immediate tube in which product is there, it is known as primary package. There is outer coverage, that is cardboard box. It is known as secondary package. It is just to give extra protection to the product in the tube. Third one is transportation package. When we want to send our product to the different corners of the country, then we use transportation package. Now second P is price. when we want to sell a product, then we have to give quantitative information to the product, that is known as price. So for setting a price, we should know the market, we should know about the competitors, we should know about the cost which we are just spending to the product formation, like fixed cost, variable cost and other things. Advertising cost. So when we are going to set price of the product, there are two policies. One is skimming price policy and other is penetration policy. Skimming price policy is the one which is just to skim the cream. When you are going to enter the market, you are charging high just to cover the cost of the product. And with the passage of the time, you are just lowering your price when other competitors are there in the market. You can take example of iPhone. They charge high when they enter in the market. Other one is penetration price policy. In penetration price policy, you just charge low when you enter in the market. And with the passage of time, you charge high. Like very famous example is of Jio SIM. They just distribute free SIM when they enter in the market. And gradually now you can see how much you pay for that. Next P is place. Ultimately, when a product is there with you, main thing is you want to sell it to the customer from point of production to point of consumption. So you can use different kind of channels. There are two channels, direct and indirect. Direct channel is one in which you are selling directly. You are producing and you are selling. There is no mediator or intermediaries there between you. Second one is indirect channel, in which you are not selling directly. There are various intermediaries there in between, like wholesalers, retailers. In this, you are just going to cover the whole country, or you are just selling the product outside the boundaries of the country. Now the last P is promotion. This is the most important P as well, as you are selling your product in a competitive era. There are many competitors in the market and you are introducing your product. For promotion, you can use advertising, you can use personal selling, you can use sales promotion as well. Advertising is a paid medium. But here, you can communicate to the large amount of customers in one click. And for personal selling, you have to hire salesman. They can introduce your product, they can give demos, they can communicate directly with the customers. Here there is two-way communication. And third one is promotion. Here you can give discounts, buy one get one free and other things. So this is all about marketing mix, and hope you can use it in your companies and other organizations very well. Thank you so much.